Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 2. Real quick video, fuzzy to vector, but it took quite a few steps. So I thought I looked on the internet, and let's just go to the internet, and I'm going to type in Astro's logo black and white. And it comes up with this, and this is probably what he picked. And it's fuzzy. So I'm going to go to images. Then I'm going to go to tools. And I'm going to go to size. And I'm going to go to large. And where's one that well, that's off of eBay. I'm just going to, let's go back to tools and more. No. Well, there it is. Color, we got black and white, large. And you could type on usage rights. But let's pick this one right here. And let's see, it's got some watermarks on it. That one doesn't, but you need to, and if this is your deal, if you're making it for yourself, it doesn't matter. Let's go to copy image. Go back to Corel, and let's right click and let's paste this. Look how sharp this is compared to the other one. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce it in size. I'm actually going to crop it first. With it selected, I'm going to go to the crop tool, and I'm going to crop out what we want, what we need. Now I'm going to make that little, and that doesn't even have the circle, the space in the circle. Well, I want to show you the quality of the trace, outline trace clip art. I'm going to go up to arrange, group, and ungroup it. And I'm going to take the H and move it over. Look at the H compared, if you didn't watch part 1, the first H was, it's not perfect again. But if we select it all, right click and make them lines, and then delete that one node, and so it's not as perfect as I thought. But here's a good lesson on something like this. Let's move these out of the way. Let's hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to see how that part of the line's messed up? I'm going to take a 2-point line and holding down the control button. And I'm going to cut this H right in half with the virtual segment delete key. I don't know why Corel does that. I'm still using this file. And then I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate while holding down the control button, get the 2-sided cross and go right there. Take away your outline, your main deal, your center line, fill that in. And now it's symmetrical and ready to go. Saved a lot of time. And you could even do it, if you didn't think these were equal. I think they are, but we could just test it. We could get rid of this, hit P, put this in the center of the page, bring in a line, holding down the control button and hit P. And let's do this before we do that. I can see that this is a little bit off. Let's Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it upside down. See, they're perfect. They're on top of each other. But, just looking at it, these two nodes, well, it's just a different font maybe, but these two nodes look like these are almost parallel. We can bring in our indexing line. They're close. Where the top ones are a little bit off, but they're really not too far off because it didn't show when we mirrored it, but there it is off. Let's turn on an indexing line. So what you could do is just take your nodes and take the shape tool and just move that over. You could also align them like we did in the first video. You could move this over. You know, it just depends on how much time you want to, I would take out these nodes, how much time you want to take. You know, take out nodes you don't need. You know, if it's a straight item, doesn't need those nodes. So you've got a much quicker, I thought I actually found one that was even better than that. But search the internet for when the customer sends you a logo, don't go with what they sent you. Look on the internet for a better quality. Anyway, I hope that gave some ideas, and thank you for watching.